The throttle body is a crucial component of your vehicle's air intake system. It is connected to the accelerator pedal via a cable or electronically in newer vehicles. If you're wondering if it is safe to drive with a bad throttle body and telltale signs it is failing, this video is for you. Make sure you watch to the end. The throttle body controls the amount of air flowing into the engine, which directly influences the engine's performance. When you press the gas pedal, the throttle body opens to allow more air in, which in turn increases fuel combustion and engine power. This precise control ensures your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. But what happens when the throttle body goes bad? Let's go through the common symptoms you need to watch out for. First up, poor or rough idling. A faulty throttle body can cause your car to idle roughly or inconsistently. You might notice the engine shaking or fluctuating RPMs when your car is at a standstill. This happens because the air-fuel mixture is not regulated properly, causing instability in the engine. Another symptom is hesitation or stalling. If the throttle body isn't opening or closing correctly, your car may hesitate when you accelerate or even stall completely. This is not only inconvenient but can also be dangerous, especially in traffic. Poor acceleration is another common sign. You might notice a lack of power or delayed response when you press the gas pedal. This happens because the throttle body isn't allowing enough air into the engine to support combustion. That dreaded check engine light can also be triggered by a bad throttle body. The Engine Control Unit, ECU, continuously monitors the throttle body's performance. If it detects any issues, it will illuminate the check engine light on your dashboard. Next, high or unstable idle. If the throttle body is stuck open or has a vacuum leak, your car might idle at higher RPMs than usual, or the idle speed might fluctuate unexpectedly. Increased fuel consumption is another red flag. A malfunctioning throttle body can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, causing your engine to burn more fuel than necessary. If you notice you're filling up more often, it might be time to check the throttle body. Lastly, overall poor engine performance. A bad throttle body can lead to a general decline in engine efficiency, resulting in reduced power and responsiveness. You might feel like your car is sluggish or struggling to perform basic tasks like climbing hills or overtaking on the highway. Is it safe to drive with a bad throttle body? While it might be possible to drive with a bad throttle body for a short period, it is not recommended. The risks to your safety, the potential for further damage to your vehicle, and the increased cost of repairs far outweigh the inconvenience of getting the throttle body fixed promptly. If you suspect your throttle body is failing, it's best to have it inspected and repaired by a professional mechanic as soon as possible.